Hello. I'm Alan, and today we are gonna tell you how you can shed up to 14 pounds in just 2 weeks by using Red Tea Detox program by Liz Swan Miller without any exercise, training or any outdoor activity. So without wasting time, let's begin the video.
The Red Tea Detox is an efficient and faster program for the people who are looking to make their health better by shedding off the extra fat stored in the body. You can lose up to 15 pounds by drinking the delicious and easy to prepare red tea. This entire program is created by Liz Swan Miller, who is one of the most popular writers on Amazon and has experience of more than 10 years as a naturopath. She has developed this program on the basis of a study that covered more than 500 researches. The author has shown some specific dishes that can be made by using the ingredients available in the grocery shops. It is an ancient Africa red tea recipe for flushing out the harmful toxins from the body and boosts the immunity level. In addition, it increases the energy and make your body active. There are more than 12,000 people use this program and successfully eliminate the extra fat stored in the body. You can buy this complete program by making a small investment of $17 that can be made through PayPal, Visa or MasterCard. There is no need to worry about the content of this ebook as it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. It will give you enough time for testing and try the program. If you didn't find it useful, then you can claim your funds back without any further questions asked. This price includes 4 bonus guides, named 5 detox methods of celebrities, effortless weight loss hypnosis DVD, ultimate superfood guide and 100 great tasting green smoothie recipes for fat loss. You will also get 1 month free private consultation with this package.